So today we're doing another Korvato account review. This time it's for an account that has quite a low balance. It has a balance of roughly $16,700 at the time that we are going to be studying this account for. It had a balance of roughly $15,000. It's been running on standard risk settings, as you can see by our graphic on the top left of the screen, having a blue color. And we can see that it's been running on Optimus version 4.2, which is our latest version. So this is an account with a relatively low account balance, and we can see on the bottom left of the screen here, if we take the period of time that we're going to be looking at, which is the 19th to the 27th, that week, the 19th to the 27th of May 2025, we can see that the net profit for this period of time is $910, which roughly equates to a 6% gain on the account balance at the time, which is a very, very good gain, a very strong gain for a period of time of a week, only 7 days. And we can see that this account, after having this gain in 1 week, is positioned for further gains. And we will now have a look at the drawdown statistics, and we will see that this account the bot handled the drawdowns very, very well on this account over this period of time, especially considering it's a small account, and as well as that, there was significant turbulence in the market along this period of time. So as you can see here, the balance drawdown is roughly a third of the maximum balance drawdown is roughly a third of what the gain was for this period of time, which is very, very good. We like to see that. It shows that the bot has been keeping the risk very controlled, even though lots of bots, lots of trading systems struggle on smaller account sizes to manage drawdowns because of the lower margin, the lower balance available, the lower capital. But we can see that our bot Optimus manages to keep that drawdown very controlled at 2.17%. We can also see that there's a massive positive skew, where our largest profit trade is $124 and our largest losing trade is roughly minus $10, which means that there's over 12 times, our largest winning trade is over 12 times the size of our largest losing trade. We can also see that our average profit trade is over double the size of our average losing trade. So considering our trades are roughly break even in terms of 50% are won, 50% are lost, a little bit higher than 50% are won. These maths work out very, very well to make us consistently profitable. This means that we have a high recovery factor, which means that when we do go into losses, which every trading system goes into losses, you can't stop that from happening. It recovers very, very fast, and it can make up for those losses very, very fast. So we can see that this account has had very good performance over this period of time. So that's it for another Korvato account review.